Hey everybody, it's Ray the Video Guy here, and today I've got a very special guest with me. We want to do a series of videos based off of what everybody's doing right now while this COVID-19 epidemic is going around. A lot of businesses are closed, a lot of businesses are modifying what they do, and so what I want to do is talk to a lot of business owners, find out what they're still doing, whether they're still open, and what they're doing for people during this epidemic. So with me right now, I've got Devin Smith from Southern Elite Contracting. Devin, welcome to the show. I appreciate you coming out today.
Thank you for having me.
All right, so let me ask you a couple of quick questions here. You are a full-service contractor, correct?
Yes, sir.
And one of the things that you do is reconstruction work, you do building, you do roofing, you do outside work, remodeling, decks, garages, whatever it is that people need.
Yes,
absolutely. Sir. So during this epidemic, obviously things are changing for a lot of people. What are you still doing these days to keep yourself busy?
Well, we're taking the precaution to stay 6 feet apart. We're doing a lot more FaceTime with customers. We're doing a lot more emails and video chat to where we can actually distance but talk about their project at the same time, or maybe send them a clip of the video of what may be going on at their house or what they're actually wanting to get priced, and just really staying in contact with what they want to do, the customer themselves.
Nice. And so as far as services go, is there anything that you're not doing these days, or are you still pretty much business as usual?
We're pretty much business as usual, and we've been very busy and a lot more calls, and actually a lot more people reaching out to us to become a part of the team. People that got laid off from their job and want to help out as much as possible during this pandemic.
Oh, that's great. And so as far as anybody calling you right now, kitchen remodels, bath remodels, that's all fair game at this point?
Yes, sir. We've had a lot of people calling. I think that a lot of people are at home, so a lot of people are spending time and actually seeing what they need done, or these wives are wanting the honey-do list fixed, so we're there to fix it, and we want to help any way that we can while taking the precaution, of course.
Beautiful. So let me ask you, we don't need to keep this very long. Obviously, you guys are doing everything that you can to be safe. You're doing business as usual. Any of the types of services that people need done, you're taking care of right now. Why would now be the perfect time to do one of these projects?
We do have a lot of people that are ready to go to work, and also we have a lot of great finance options. As you see, interest rates are at their lowest with a lot of people, a lot of companies, and a lot of people are choosing the finance options to get their home projects redone right now, whether they finance it for 6 months or up to 60 months right now. So it's a great time to spend money and reach out to your local bank, about refinancing your home, get that equity and put that money back into your home and fix it, while money's cheap.
Beautiful. No, I love that. And it is, that's the other thing. Banks are open as well, so a lot of businesses are still out there doing what they do. You guys obviously are 100% doing the same things that you do, other than maybe a few odd safety precautions that you have to take these days, of course. But any last minute words you want to give to everybody out there that are sitting at home wondering about this whole virus situation?
Yeah, just stay safe. Keep your hands clean. Keep your distance, and call us. We'd love to be your one-stop contractor. We can handle projects from A to Z, and we want to help you. Whether it's just a phone call to talk about what you want done, or maybe it's a video that you want to send us or something you want priced. Don't feel ashamed to send that to us. We'd love to help.
All right, beautiful. Well, we appreciate you taking the time today to talk to us about what's going on. And if anybody's interested in doing some of those projects, it might be the perfect time to do that. A lot of people are getting their tax refunds. They're getting these government checks. Money is cheap when you go out and refinance, so it could be a great time to do that. Devin, I appreciate you taking the time with us today.
Yes, sir. Thank you for having me.
And of course, if you're ready to do anything like this, well, get out there and do it. We know that right now businesses are struggling. There are a lot of businesses out there, like restaurants, that have had to make major changes. There are some businesses that are stuck staying at home and can't do business as they normally do. So now is the time to reach out to those businesses and help them out by either purchasing their products, or ordering from their restaurant, working with a contractor, or just get out there and leave a nice 5-star review for some of your favorite businesses. Go to Google, look them up, give them a 5-star review. Let these businesses know that you care and that you appreciate everything that they've done for you over the years. And with that, we'll draw this to a close. So until next time, I'm Ray the Video Guy. We'll see you soon.